In this quick video, I'll show you how you can cancel your booking.com hotel reservation. So what you first want to do is go to the booking.com app, and then once you're here and you're on the home page, you want to go ahead and click on bookings, which is the third icon on the bottom here. It looks like a suitcase icon, so go ahead and click on that. Then you're going to see all of your different hotels. Also, you'll see your flights as well. You want to find the hotel that you want to cancel, and to the right of it, there will be some three dots. So click on the three dots, and then you'll be given two options. You can either view the booking or cancel it. So I'm going to click on cancel booking, and then it's going to show me the booking. It's going to show me everything about that booking, and I can then scroll to the bottom of the page and click on manage your booking. And then from here, you can go ahead and cancel. Now, it depends on what cancellation policy you bought the hotel with. Mine is a free cancellation until the 21st of February, so I can just cancel for free, but you may have to pay a fee. Now, I'm not going to cancel this booking because I want to stay in this hotel, but that's how you would do it. And then you'll get an email sent to your email, obviously, which confirms you've cancelled the booking. That's how you do it. I hope that helped you out.